Strategies are important, so we need to make sure that we understand why they matter and what happens if you don't have a promotion strategy and what happens if you do. So promotion strategies are important because you rarely deploy the same code directly to production without passing it through other environments first. What will happen here is that most teams have at least dev, staging, and prod, right? So without a promotion strategy, each environment may end up with inconsistent manifests. Now, developers might manually copy files around or make small tweaks that never get recorded properly, and this can lead to environments drifting apart, and bugs will reach production this way because nothing enforces a clean flow. Now, with a defined strategy, you get a predictable pipeline, dev to staging to production, and everyone knows exactly how changes move forward. It reduces your copy-paste mistakes because your manifests are structured and reusable. Ultimately, your promotion strategies will remove a lot of human error, and it'll prevent untested code from sneaking into production. Now, let's take a look at how this branch-based promotion works. So, in this model, each environment, dev, staging, and prod will map directly to a Git branch. And developers can merge your code into the dev branch first. After verifying everything works, they open a pull request to merge that change into staging, and eventually it'll go into production. Now, you're going to merge commits used to promote changes across those environments, and it gives you a very clear history of how those changes move through those environments as well. You can see who approved each promotion and exactly when it happened. The Git history will clearly show that promotion path for you because everything moves through those merges. Your branch-based promotion fits nicely with teams already comfortable with Git workflows, except now you're just applying it to your manifests. Let's take a look here at how our directory-based promotions work. Instead of separate branches, what you're doing here is you're using your repository contains different directories, and each directory is going to be per environment, dev, staging, and prod. That's really important because each of those folders are going to hold the environment-specific overlays or configuration. Now, the changes in promotion is done via copying or patching your manifest. The promotion is done by copying or patching your manifest from one directory to the next, and this works extremely well with Kustomize. Now, since Kustomize was designed with directory structures and overlays in mind, this is an interesting strategy. Now, this gives you compatibility with your Kustomize overlays, and this strategy is often easier for teams that aren't as comfortable with managing multiple branches. Because everything lives in one place, developers can visually see differences across environments right in the same repository. Let's take a look at an example promotion flow. So a developer will start by merging code into the dev branch, just like any other change, or updating the dev directory, depending on which strategy your team is going to be using. Flux or Argo CD is then going to apply the manifest to the dev cluster in this case, and it's going to be done automatically. Once the team verifies that everything is working, the change is promoted to staging, either through a merge or copying the updated manifest. After staging checks out, the final promotion sends the change to production, and it completes the pipeline for you. Now, the predictable flow here is what ensures consistency across all environments. Nothing jumps directly to production unless it has passed through the whole full chain. Here are some considerations and trade-offs when it comes to working with promotion approaches. So branches are going to offer a cleaner audit history. You get an auditable Git history this way, and you can easily see promotion steps and approvals. Directories are easier for teams that are unfamiliar with Git branching, but they should be avoided. Branches are really the best practice for you to work with. Everything is in one place, and customized overlays can reduce duplication no matter which method you choose. Now, your strategy should match your team's GitOps maturity and your workflow preferences, but one important consideration is understanding that your customized overlays will reduce duplication in both models, and your secrets must be managed securely per environment. Secrets must be handled differently for every environment that you're working with and must be stored securely. Now, GitOps requires strict attention to secret management no matter how you organize your repo. That needs to be in place. Now, strategies should match your team's GitOps maturity, but both strategies work well. You just need to pick one that best fits your team. So that's a little bit on how we can work with these kind of principles and promotion strategies inside of Kubernetes.